In this topic, we will discuss about decantation. So, decantation is the process of separating unwanted substances, unwanted components from the mixture. Anybody can be asked, what is the decantation? Decantation is the process of separating unwanted components from the mixtures. So, there are some mixtures which cannot insoluble solid particles suspended in a liquid. All solid particles cannot soluble in the liquid. So the solid particles which are insoluble in the liquid can be separated by the decantation. For example, when you wash rice pulses before the cooking, then granules of pulse separating from the water by the process of decantation. So decantation is the process of separating unwanted components, those solid particles, insoluble substances in a liquid can be separated by this method. So already I have given you example. Rices, when you wash rice for cooking, so before the cooking you have to wash your rice, then that rice is separating from the water by the decantation process, pulse separating from the water by the decantation process. And next one, the process of decantation can be used for separating only when the solid does not dissolve in the water or in the liquid. For example, sugar dissolve in the water. So sugar is soluble substances in the water. So sugar cannot be separated by the decantation process. Those substances cannot dissolve in the water, can be separated from the water or from the liquid by the decantation process. So next one, the method of decantations. The process of decantations cannot be used for separating two immiscible liquids which mix with each other. When two liquids mix to each other, for example water and milk mix to each other, then it is known as the immiscible liquids. So this water cannot be separated from the milk by the decantation process. So it should be clear, you should keep in your mind, decantation is a process of separating unwanted harmful components from the mixtures, those insoluble substances, insoluble components. Rice can be separated from the water, pearls can be separated from the water, or stone, or suppose sand particles mixed in a liquid water. So sand particles can be separated by the decantation process from the water. But when two liquids are immiscible liquids, cannot be separated by this process. Earlier I have given you example, water and milk mixed to each other. So these two liquids known as the immiscible liquids. So water and milk cannot be separated by this process. We will use different methods for the separating milk from the water. So these are the process of the decantation methods. Okay, thank you.